Hello friends! Today, we'll learn 10 everyday phrasal verbs you can use in daily conversation. Let's get started. Wake up. Stop sleeping. To stop sleeping and become awake, usually in the morning or after resting. I wake up at 7 every morning. Get up. Leave bed after sleeping. To rise from your bed after sleeping and start your day. He got up late today. Put on. Wear clothes. To dress yourself by wearing clothes, shoes, or accessories. She put on her jacket. Take off. Remove clothes. To remove clothes, shoes, or accessories from your body. He took off his shoes. Stand up. Rise to your feet. To rise to your feet from a sitting or lying position. He stood up to answer the question. Look for. Try to find something. To search or try to find something you need or have lost. I am looking for my keys. Look after. Take care of. To take care of someone or something by giving attention, help, or protection. She looks after her little brother. Pick up. Lift something. To lift something from the ground or to collect someone or something. He picked up the book from the floor. Put down. Place something you are holding. To place something you are holding onto a surface or the ground. Please put down your phone. Carry on. Continue doing something. To continue doing something without stopping. She carried on studying after dinner.